Greyhound sound test, interactive. Would your Greyhound respond to that sound? How would he respond to other sounds? If you want to find out, stick around and play along with us while we go through 9 more interactive sounds. What's that, girl? Oh, okay. Lily wants me to tell you that if any point you wish to subscribe to the channel to get more of our infotaining videos, just tap the Greyhound Home Care logo there on the lower right-hand corner. Thanks, Lily.
All right, that's enough of that one. If you have Greyhound questions, we have Greyhound answers. Check out over 24 articles at the greyhoundhomecare.com website. Thanks for watching. See you next time on the Greyhound Home Care channel.